I don't know what to say.
Yeah, she takes all the.
No, I read a list in one of the Watchtower and the books I was studying.
I'm gonna put cheese in there.
Ooh, yummy. No.
What's 6 times 240?
5.
Of a whole new world. Don't you dare close your eyes. Like nothing, it was cold outside. They gave me $10. But they got mad at the Family Dollar.
She's not gonna. I don't think she's gonna come.
For their booster shot, but it won't be required.
What? Guys, check out the moon. My phone. This is the first time my phone can see the moon. Ryan has Roman candles, you guys.
She ran straight to my hut.
Oh damn, son.
I have a lot of them.
Hey Ryan, come here.
Doesn't it work?
Oh, never mind. That's something. I thought I was tripping out. What is that? I thought it was something else. Can you light mine?
Here.
What is that?
Take it. It's a lighter. Take it to the.
He likes it. One more time now. You gotta start quiet like this. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to check the time. Dum 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 dum. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Dum 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 dum.